Hello friends, you are here. I am talking about a very useful video. In this video, we are going to teach you how to have two accounts, or even more than two accounts from the game Efootball in one, and this tutorial is very useful for those who use Android phones. And for those who do not understand how to have two accounts, or more than have two football accounts in one phone. Please stay with us until the end of the video. And thank you for your support, dear ones, and before watching the video, please subscribe to our channel. And leave an English comment under the video. And give a like to the video. And it goes without saying that this video is only for those who use Android phones, and I suggest you, if it is your first time, enter my channel. Please use the channel. And our team is going to organize competitions for football players, along with big prizes. Press the bell to be informed about our future events. Thank you, I love you all. In the first step, you need to download and install the app cloner program, and what is better is to download the purchased version that I uploaded on my Telegram channel. It is without any risk. If you download it from the Play Store, it will not work. Download it from my Telegram channel, so that you don't get into trouble. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. After installation, we enter the program and select Game Efootball, select the first option, clone number, and here any number you want. Click on Confirm. And write any name you want in the name option section. And then click on Confirm. After that, we will enter the icon color change section. And you can set any color you want, using your hand, and press the Confirm option. And the next option is Mode. It is a game icon that you can set as you like. And activate the Adaptive Icon Support option, enter the storage options. And activate the Accessibility Data Director option. And after that, we enter the cloning options. And activate the Skip Native Libraries option. We return to the main page and click on the tick mark and wait for the program to do its work. It may take a few minutes to create two accounts, at least 3. The pocket of your phone's memory should be empty. After completing the work of the program, we click on the Install App option. And click on the Install option again. And we wait for the program to be installed on Hamray's phone. And we see that the program appears on the screen of our phone. And the security of the device is no. It did not find any kind of warning or bug. And open the game without any bugs. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Stay tuned for our other videos.